Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video ay i-discuss ko po yung articulated tasks na grade 8 sa second quarter. So kung hindi pa po kayo nag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, subscribe na kayo. I-like nyo na rin and i-share nyo na rin. So allow me to share my screen, guys. Okay. So this is articulated tasks ng grade 8 sa second quarter. So we have the team service-oriented tutorials crafting Southeast Asia from technical drawings to artistic expression. So articulated siya sa arts. So we come up with the transfer goal. The learners independently demonstrate their understanding in reading and interpreting simple technical drawing signs and symbols and exhibit completed Southeast Asian artworks for appreciation and critiquing through planning simple carpentry woodworks with miniature. Okay, this is your goal. Design a simple carpentry planning for a study table project through freehand sketching, incorporating creative inspiration from South Asia and West Asia. So, pwede din pong ibahin yung goal kung ayaw ng estudyante nyo na or ayaw nyo ng study table, pwede naman na ibang furniture like chair, lampshade, cabinet, or any woodwork or furniture. And din yung country. So sa grade 8, tinanong ko sila, hindi daw South Asia and West Asia yung diniscuss sa kanila. So ang arts na diniscuss sa kanila is Japanese art, Chinese art, and Mongolian art. So nakadepende na lang, baguhin nyo na lang dito. Sa baba. Okay, creative inspiration. Depende sa arts. Parang connected siya sa arts. Okay? Rule, furniture designer. You are a furniture designer and your audience is the Department of Trade and Industry. So in this situation, the Department of Trade and Industry will implement a program that intends to give out capital for micro and small industry business, particularly in the furniture manufacturing sector. To qualify for this program, you are asked to submit design proposals to be scrutinized by the DTI. Also siya, DTI. And this is your product. Simple carpentry planning for a study table project with creative inspiration from Southeast Asia or kung may specific art kayo. For example, Japanese art, Chinese art, or Mongolian art. And also a miniature of study table. So may miniature din. So these are the criteria. Planning and design, detailed accurate carpentry plan with clear Southeast Asian inspired elements that enhance design creatively. Construction quality, miniature, high craftsmanship. The table is sturdy with clean edges and balanced proportion. Creativity and style. Unique use of Southeast Asian elements, patterns, colors, shapes that complement the design. Size and proportion. Accurate scaled miniature that resembles a real study table with appropriate proportions. And effort and presentation. Exceptional effort. Table is well presented, showing pride in work. This is the guide. Write the name of the project. For example, flower pot stand. Objectives. For example, make a flower pot stand. Follow the step in measuring, cutting, and assembling a flower pot stand use tools and equipment properly and efficiently. Pwede nyo baguhin yan, depende ito sa project na gagawin nyo. Then, sketch. So, dito ilalagay nyo po yung orthographic drawing and isometric drawing of your project. Mamaya, ipapakita ko po yung isometric drawing and orthographic drawing. Then, bill of materials. Mag-estimate kayo kung ano yung mga materials na gagamitin and their prices also. Then, tools needed. Ano yung mga tools na gagamitin sa pagkumpuni ng inyong furniture. Procedure. Also, magbibigay po kayo ng procedure kung paano siya gagawin. Or may susundan step-by-step procedure kung paano siya kukumpunihin or gagawin. Para magawa siya as a furniture. Okay, ito yung orthographic and isometric drawing wherein papakita nyo yung 3D drawing ng inyong yung furniture, then yung orthographic, yung sides, yung view, and then the dimensions. And also the joints, kung anong joints na ginamit nyo. Kung rabbet joint ba, kung lap joints ba, or mortise and mortise joint ba yung ginamit nyo. Or miter joint. And then details ng legs, ilang peraso ba yun, yung rails, top, anong size, yan, ito po, dimensions, yan, any details about your furniture. Ito po yung example na ginawa na aking estudyante. Mayroong, ito yung actual na itsura niya. Yan po. May isometric and orthographic drawing. May dimensions din po. Another example, ito din. Okay? And ito po. Another example. Yan po. Yan. And yun lang po. So, wala akong naipakita miniature. So, kailangan din may miniature. Ano po yung magiging itsura niya kapag may model, kumbaga, merong model na ipapakita. Aside from planning, merong pinaka-model na ipapakita yung estudyante or ikaw mismo estudyante. May model ka ipapakita or miniature, maliit na model. Paano talaga yung magiging itsura niya kapag ginawa siya. And that's all. Thank you. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you sa pakikinig. Bye-bye!